Have you ever dreamed of owning a beautiful, sustainable home without breaking the bank or spending years on construction? What if I told you that for less than $100,000, you could build a stunning two-bedroom bamboo house that's not only eco-friendly but also hurricane-resistant? In this video, I'm going to walk you through 9 amazing bamboo house kits that all come in under $100,000. These aren't flimsy structures. We're talking about solid, well-engineered homes that can withstand serious weather conditions while looking absolutely stunning. Before we dive in, let me give you some proof that bamboo is the real deal. Properly treated bamboo has a tensile strength comparable to steel, and these homes are engineered to last for decades. Let's get started with the most impressive bamboo house kits that won't cost you a fortune. Bamboo House 1, Bali 960, the perfect family home. Let's kick things off with the Bali 960 from Bamboo Living. This is one of their most popular models, and for good reason. Hybrid kit priced at $82,550. The Bali 960 gives you 960 square feet of interior living space, plus an additional 256 square feet of covered lanai. That's a fancy word for porch. That's a total of 1,216 square feet to enjoy. Plenty of room for a couple or small family. What makes this model special is its flexibility. The floor plan can be configured as either a 2 or 3 bedroom home with 2 bathrooms. The Bali-style roofline features lofty open beam ceilings that soar over 15 feet to the top of the ridge. The flying gables aren't just for show. They add a dramatic flair while allowing hot air to exit the building, keeping your home naturally cool. The kit includes bamboo-framed walls, bamboo porch posts, trusses, roof support structure, eaves, and trim. It also comes with a 10-year structural warranty, which should give you peace of mind about the durability of this home. Let's talk dollars and cents. At $82,550 for the hybrid kit, the Bali 960 represents exceptional value compared to traditional construction. The national average cost to build a conventional 2-bedroom home is around $290,000, not including land. That means the Bali 960 kit could save you over $180,000 on construction costs alone. Even after you factor in the additional costs for foundation, roofing, windows, doors, and finishes, you're still looking at a total project cost of around $175,000 to $200,000, well below the cost of conventional construction. And that's not even considering the long-term savings. Bamboo homes are naturally energy efficient due to their excellent insulation properties. The high ceilings allow hot air to rise and escape, reducing cooling costs in summer. And the thermal mass of the bamboo helps regulate temperature year-round. Bamboo House number 2, Zen 880, Modern Simplicity. Next up is the Zen 880, also from Bamboo Living. Priced at $95,500, this model offers 880 square feet of interior space and 352 square feet of covered lanai. The Zen 880 is a simple and elegant 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. What sets it apart is its hip roof design with eaves encircling the entire structure. This modern, calming aesthetic is perfect for those who prefer clean lines and a minimalist approach. The hip roof isn't just about looks, it provides excellent protection against high winds, making this model particularly suitable for coastal areas. The kit includes all the structural bamboo elements you need, along with pre-cut and pre-drilled components for easy assembly. One of the standout features of the Zen 880 is its versatility. The open floor plan allows you to customize the interior layout to suit your needs, whether you want 2 equal-sized bedrooms or a master suite with a smaller guest room. Bamboo House number 3, Pacific 523. Compact Luxury. If you're looking for something a bit smaller but still packed with features, the Pacific 523 might be perfect for you. At $84,170, it's one of the more affordable options on our list. The Pacific 523 offers 523 square feet of interior space, a 213 square foot loft, and a generous 453 square foot covered lanai. Despite its compact footprint, this model feels spacious thanks to its clever design. What makes the Pacific 523 special is its striking roof design. Many consider it to be Bamboo Living's most captivating roofline. Inside, the home's interior is faceted like a diamond, with the steep, triangular roof allowing ample natural light to flood the loft. The multifaceted, half-octagon wraparound lanai offers 180-degree views from the front, making this model perfect for scenic properties. The unique curvature gives it a distinctive feel, reminiscent of being on the prow of a ship. For those who need extra headroom or light in the loft, dormers can be added for $7,500 to $8,000 each, depending on the size. Bamboo House Number 4, Ohana 30, Octagonal Wonder. Now let's look at something completely different, the Ohana 30 from Bamboo Living. Priced at $86,500, this octagonal yurt-shaped home offers a unique living experience. The Ohana 30 is their largest octagonal home with 8 sides that are each 8 feet long. It offers 755 plus square feet of interior space and 327 plus square feet of covered lanai. The design can accommodate 1 or 2 bedrooms with 1 or 2 bathrooms. What's special about this design is its central space, which creates a natural gathering area. The octagonal shape also provides excellent wind resistance, as there are no flat walls to catch the full force of strong winds. The kit includes all the bamboo structural elements, and for an additional $6,500, you can add a 5-foot diameter cupola to the roof. This not only adds a distinctive architectural element, but also allows more natural light into the center of the home and enhances ventilation. Bamboo House Number 5, Ohana 20, Compact Octagon. If you like the octagonal design but need something smaller, the Ohana 20 might be just right. At $74,950, it's one of the more affordable options on our list. The Ohana 20 offers 590 square feet of interior space and 258 plus square feet of covered lanai. It's designed as a studio or one-bedroom home with 1 bathroom, making it perfect for a couple or single person. Like its larger sibling, the Ohana 20 features the distinctive 8-sided design that creates a unique living experience. The central space can be used as a living area with the bedroom and bathroom arranged around it. The kit includes all the bamboo structural elements, and like the Ohana 30, you can add a cupola for additional light and ventilation. The Ohana 20 is particularly well suited for vacation rentals or guest houses, offering a distinctive experience that guests won't forget. Bamboo House Number 6, Bali 1152, Spacious Elegance. For those who need a bit more space, the Bali 1152 offers 1,152 square feet of interior space and 384 square feet of covered lanai. Hybrid kit priced at $98,550, it's at the higher end of our range, but offers exceptional value for the size. The Bali 1152 is designed as a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, but its spacious layout could easily accommodate a family. The Bali-style roofline, with its lofty open-beam ceilings and flying gables, creates a dramatic interior space while providing natural ventilation. This model would make an excellent family home or resort suite. The combination of a gable and hip roof allows for covered windows with eaves protecting them, which is particularly valuable in rainy or sunny climates. Like the other bamboo living models, the Bali 1152 kit includes all the bamboo structural elements along with pre-cut and pre-drilled components for easy assembly. The 10-year structural warranty provides peace of mind about the durability of this substantial home. Bamboo House Number 7, Celestial 1106, Unique Design. The Celestial 1106 is one of the most distinctive designs on our list. Priced at $86,550, it offers 1,106 square feet of interior space and 320 square feet of covered lanai. What sets the Celestial 1106 apart is its unique design, inspired by traditional Mayan architecture. It features rounded ends and bedrooms designed to offer 180-degree views, making it perfect for a site with wraparound scenery. The open concept floor plan makes this model ideal for a weekend getaway, a primary residence, or even as a resort unit. The rounded ends aren't just about aesthetics. They also provide excellent wind resistance as wind flows around the curved surfaces rather than hitting flat walls. The kit includes all the bamboo structural elements along with pre-cut and pre-drilled components for easy assembly. The Celestial 1106 is a conversation starter, offering a living experience that's far from ordinary. Bamboo House Number 8, Pacific Queen. Versatile luxury. The Pacific Queen is one of the most versatile models on our list. Hybrid kit priced at $104,670. It's above our $100,000 threshold, but its features and flexibility make it worth considering if your budget can stretch a bit. The Pacific Queen offers 977 plus square feet of interior space, a 145-plus square foot loft, and a generous 514 square foot covered lanai. It can be configured with 1 to 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it suitable for a variety of living situations. The versatile loft can serve as a third bedroom, media center, game room, lounge area, or office. Adding jalousie windows can enhance airflow in the loft, and dormers can be included as an add-on for additional loft space. Like the Pacific 523, the Pacific Queen features a multifaceted half-octagon wraparound lanai that provides 180-degree views from the front. The expansive lanai is ideal for outdoor cooking and entertaining, and the unique curvature gives it a distinctive feel. Bamboo House Number 9, Ohana 16, Affordable Starter. Last but not least, let's look at the most affordable option on our list, the Ohana 16, priced at just $42,500. This 16-foot octagon-shaped structure offers 212-plus square feet of interior space and 131-plus square feet of covered lanai. While it's compact, the Ohana 16 can be configured as a studio or 1 to 2 bedroom home with 1 to 2 bathrooms. It's perfect as an extra bedroom, art studio, home office, vacation rental unit, meditation room, or yoga studio. The octagonal design creates a unique living experience with the central space serving as the main living area. Optional bump outs can be added to create space for a small kitchen and/or bathroom. Despite its small size, the Ohana 16 doesn't compromise on quality. It's built with the same structural bamboo elements as the larger models and comes with the same 10-year warranty. So there you have it, folks, 9 incredible bamboo house kits that offer sustainable, beautiful living spaces. What makes these bamboo homes special isn't just their affordability or their striking designs, it's the combination of sustainability, durability, and livability that they offer. Bamboo is one of the most renewable building materials on the planet, growing up to 3 feet per day and reaching maturity in just 5 to 7 years. These homes are engineered to withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, and other extreme weather conditions while providing a comfortable, energy-efficient living environment. The natural properties of bamboo help regulate temperature and humidity, creating a home that's comfortable year-round with minimal energy input. Whether you're looking for a primary residence, a vacation home, a rental property, or a guest house, these bamboo kits offer exceptional value and a unique living experience that you won't find with conventional construction. Thanks for watching, and remember, sustainable living doesn't have to break the bank. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might be interested in affordable housing options, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on sustainable living solutions. I'll see you in the next video.